Oh, hello. My mic was muted. Oh. That happens. Well. Okay. So. Can make this smaller. And then. This like that. Maybe just rotate it. Doesn't line up properly. Or does it? Should. Problem is I can't see anything, which is kind of bad, but you know. We'll see what happens. I can get this. Where did the sun go? Alright. I need to move all of these, including this. I said including. I'll see what happens. These here, so they intersect. Something like this. Yes. So now if I try to run this, something's missing, and I know what. This. Yes. Perfect. My PC is going to die, but it's okay. As you can see, this through something. Though it's a little bit dark, it does work. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Also, what is going on with this? It's just OBS, okay. happens, I guess. So what do I want to do now? Maybe I want to move everything up because I have ideas, but I need to disable the volumetric fog again. And I need to take one of these boxes, make it smaller a bit, the most not visible. Maybe I don't want to exactly want to make this bigger. So just a big hole in the ceiling. Could maybe the light was facing the right direction, which means more like this. Maybe shine through and mayonnaise. That is also a bad idea. Oh, nope. I'm getting rid of the hole. So, windows. I can select like 9. All of these and just with them. Whoa, bad handle. Do this. Yeah. Just because I can. Yeah, better. It also means that you are getting a neighbor too, and your neighbor is getting a neighbor too. Maybe position the light a little bit differently. Something like this will work. I need to face straight that way, which is like that. Good. Let's see. If I do this, how does it look? I feel like there's too much light now. Maybe that could be okay, but I'm going for the best of the best. Let's see how does it look in game. Yeah, volumetrics, yeah. I'm playing like around with them just so I can get the good race. And also, hello, welcome to the stream. Does this look okay, or should I? This is certainly not okay, but well, I'm firstly going to do one thing, and if the other one works like that, just give me a second. Oh, yeah, I experimented a little bit on how to make it in Godot. I like. I also know how to do this in Unity because I started on Unity and made similar games, but they never seen the light of day. Thank you for the follow. It's very much appreciated. You give me a second. I just need to save this so I can show you. Oh, what? Huh? What do you mean it's... Well, yeah, I didn't even think about what to put as that, but yeah, I put boy kisser because I'm not kissing boys, but I just haven't thought of anything else. Yes. Oh god. What did I do? Oh god. Yeah, it was because it didn't have a configuration. This is without any effects, okay? It looks even better. Apart from this, but that's just how God Lightning works. But if you like ramp up the indirect lightning from the sun, it will disappear. I just haven't played around with it that much. So how do you exactly get this? It's very simple. Basically, you need to have the world environment and have the volumetric fog enabled, which makes sense because how else do you want to do it? With normal fog, you certainly can do that. And the values, like I found for this game I am making, like these values work, but it differs from project to project. So yeah, you just basically set up the volumetric fog so it isn't that much and not like it must be the perfect mix in between. And then you have the directional light, or can be any light because it's volumetric fog, so it can be any light. But I use a directional light, and you just set the color how you want, and the energy is also quite important because if I reset it, it just gets too bright. So but the most important also don't mind this is just because yeah, fuck am I going to the other side? Nope. Oh, I have seen God. So, the main thing is to have set up the volumetric focus energy. So, yeah, but in Godot there's also an extra step or extra two steps. You need to fiddle around with the values, mainly in the light, because if it's too much, the fog is like fully opaque, which means you can't see anything through it. And if it's too less, it doesn't work, it doesn't have the effect. And the main thing, like what you can do to achieve also these God rays, they can be maybe seen if I ramp up the values. Yeah, you can see that now faintly, because it's just how I'm building this scene. Now you can see that definitely. So to achieve this, it's like I'm using 4.3, but you can do that even in 4.2 if I am correct. I can look because I have 4.2 for some reason also installed. But the main thing to get this, but it costs performance, is if you turn on advanced settings and search for volumetric. If you like just do this, it should go rendering environment, and you need to ramp up the volume size. I have it at 256, and as you can see it does this effect, but if I put it to the default, you can see it's just the cheapest you can get with the best performance, and it doesn't look that good. But if you see this is like a thing that affects performance like a lot, so you need to be careful with it, because as you can see I have 270 FPS, like something around that, and if I double just the thing, double the value for the volume size, you can see I have now around 20 less FPS. And if I do it again to the value I have, which I am happy with because it gives these good rays, I have now 170 FPS, which is 100 FPS less. Yeah, it's a very big hit to the performance. But you can also like get some FPS back by disabling this filter. Which you can see it's now around 180, which isn't that much, but it will have these weird issues, like where it just doesn't look right. And if I enable it, you can see mainly on the edges here. If I disable it, you can see what it does. But like it's that's good. It's good. I'm mainly a 3D guy because I started on 2D like platformer, side scrollers, RPGs, and everything like that. So I like have some experience with it. But I started like 1 year ago making 3D games, and I just making 3D games because it feels better to me. This is cool. Like, oh, I need to fix this. I definitely need to fix that. Metric. Oh, maybe 3.5. 3.5, but I need to decrease. Oh, also, by the way, one thing I forgot to mention, you can get this, and very important value is the... I'm not going to pronounce that because English is not my first language and I don't want to embarrass myself, but as you can see, this controls very much how it looks. So if you leave it like at 0, you can see that it pretty much blinds you. If you do it at the max, you can see that it just does this, and you can see much good rays. From this angle, yes, but from down there, no. So around, let's say 0.6, you have like a perfect mix between those two. Like, Godot isn't made for this. Like, if you want realistic graphics, use Unity or even better Unreal Engine, like Unreal Engine 5. But this game I'm making is like more of a proof of concept that something similar to what Unreal Engine horror games, mainly the liminal ones, do it. So this is just a proof of concept that Godot can do something similar, or you can make something similar in Godot, better said. I wonder how I can fix this. Maybe nope. This does almost nothing. But yeah, it's the dramatic fog that like kills it. I don't want to overdo it much. Maybe I can do no sky. Yeah, maybe this will work. Just going to... Where can I do that? Somewhere. The mesh instance. Okay, I don't see anything. That's perfect. Nope. 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 This. And I need to disable also the automatic. Okay, maybe not. Okay. Good for me, I think. I don't want to have this. Because I can't... Well, I guess I need to work with this. From this side. Okay, hello? Okay, thank you. Nope. Wrong key. Ooh. I didn't want to scale the whole thing. Okay, now I already did this, but I want to do it again. The overrides, and I need it to cast shadows of this is still an issue. This it looks somewhat better now. At least up close. But what can we do about this? Oh. Increase this. Maybe the other way around. Mainly to also eliminate this, so wait. Okay, that's maybe too much. Okay, could be good enough. How does it look from the player's perspective? More. Five. Could be enough. Stick, okay. Should be enough, okay. This will leave me again with this. So let's just do this. And increase this. Okay. We are getting somewhere. So this is an issue. We don't want that. We don't want that. That's going to be because we don't have no sun. Let's see. How does this look when okay, that's not bad. That's not even bad. It's actually decent. Even from here, it's actually very decent. Just need to move these a little bit closer. Okay, that makes, or at least that a little bit closer. Okay, how does it look now? It isn't bad. Need to fix these issues with the lightning, but should be fairly easy. Let's see. I may also do one thing because I hate how does this work better with, yeah, it does. Let me apply the post-processing again. Now do I have the configuration? Here. Okay. Now just to play around with where was it? Indirect energy. If I leave it at 16, what does happen? Pretty much nothing, okay. Yeah, like, what can I say? Boykisser is the best thing. That's why I'm a Boykisser. Also, welcome to the stream. I get rid of post-processing for now. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? I don't kiss anyone. I'm lonely. What do you expect? I'm a game developer. Do you think I'm going to have someone with me? No, I'm going to be alone for the rest of. That's a good offer. I'll think about it. Oh. I am making. Just give me a second because the music is starting to be too loud for me. I am making a semi-realistic graphics, liminal horror puzzle game. Basically, just a puzzle game with horror elements in it. And right now I'm trying to get this lightning to look somewhat good. Well, he's a bean. That's easy. Bruh. I can just do... Oh, why? What? Hello? Are you? You are. It's the crouching shape. Okay. I'm gonna question why it's that small, but yes. Let's see. Hmm. No light. Much light. But the shadow doesn't seem to be that well. Hmm. Let's see this. If I set this like that, is it going to make it better or not? The Terraria shadow, not the Minecraft shadow, the Terraria shadow. Oh. Okay, my streaming software doesn't like that. It still isn't good. Why? I might do this. Where is it? It will look bad in the editor, but I'm saving my computer from overheating. So yeah. Would this make it better or not? Whoa. Now, this is Minecraft. There isn't. There is something. Hmm. Interesting. This is going to be just as bad as it can be. Actually, it isn't. But it's not our shadows. Look, they are not perfectly rectangular. But it does give that weird feeling. At least for me. Square shadows, Minecraft shadows. Whoa, but this is certainly not supposed to look like that. Something wrong with that. Well, it doesn't change anything with the shadows. New cinema movie magazine. White paint. White? Walter White? Ah. Would this help or not? I'm interested. No, it just... This fix it. Nope. This fix it. That broke it. That broke it a bunch. Yeah, movie posters, yeah. That's true. Hmm. Well then, this is going to be as bad as it was before, so you don't even have a shadow, okay? That's nice. Thank you. Maybe this? I don't want blocky shadows. That's better, but it's not exactly what I want. Okay, that's interesting. Again. No. Okay, that's... I think I did this, but... It... Hmm. Well... I might look and play with this maybe off stream, because I certainly want the shadows to look nice, but it doesn't seem like they want to look nice right now. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. I thank you for the follow. Vibing Bread Monster Game Dev. It's very appreciated. Sorry that it took me too long to read it, but I have my OBS interface very, very much small. Hello. What do you guys think I could make as the first puzzle in the horror game? Because I have exactly no idea, because I have been fiddling around with the lightning and haven't thought about what puzzle could I make. White wall. This is exactly what... Oh, this is exactly how Discord light mode feels. It seems feels. Can I get a... Can I get a loaf too? No, keep it. Keep it for yourself. I don't want the loaf. I have a loaf at home. Mm. It could be something. Like I have the possibility to do almost everything. Will my PC suffer? Will my PC die? Maybe not. Oh, it won't. Nice. Or it might. Okay, I'm just going to stay for the half resolution, even though it's going to look like an old MP4. But yeah. But you know what? I could make something with like a pedestal and a light instead of like the windows itself, because the windows itself are very much high up. I also want to try how lights will work in this. Okay. Okay, I don't want to edit it, thank you. I need what it was, spotlight. Yeah, spotlight it is. My god, that's horrible. Like, you know, the CSG or the constructive geometry is not right. It's good for prototyping, but I don't think this helps the performance, even though it's triangles. I just don't think that's very optimal, but who knows? I don't want to be smart. Let's see. Oh, I did it. Okay. I'm not going to put it that high up. I don't want it to be. Thank you. Hey. You're not going to cooperate. I can't even speak proper. Okay. Is it in the ceiling? No, it's not. Oh. It's such a weird perspective. But it does something. Let's see. Just going to. Oh, what? You from no. You from the wind. Hey, listen to me. Okay. What do you mean? Okay, thank you. Thank you. I definitely go to sleep if you're outside, so you can go watch what people are doing also the next day. Huh? What the hell is happening? Oh god. Can I? Oh, wrong thing. My frames are back. And I need to do union. Let's see. Is that too high or too low? I don't know. Just eyeball it now. Let's see what happens. How does it look? It looks kinda interesting. Let me adjust the height. Maybe a little bit. Maybe I can do... Oh, where the... It is this, okay. And you... Oh god, nice. Copy value and paste value. I also just realized that I haven't thanked him for the follow. Enough. Okay. Happens. Everyone makes mistakes. Okay. Something like this could be good. And if I enable this, let's see. Don't mind the shadow, it's not the best. But this should be something at least. Okay, that is very creepy, just seeing this. That's creepy as hell. It doesn't have any collision because why? Now it will have. I have an idea what to do with this. I'm just going to place I'm going to copy this. Move it here. Make it as large as this hallway if it lets me. Okay, I like how the dynamic lighting is even from the objects I have selected, which is like super weird, but okay. Just good at doing good at things. I wonder if this is disabled, I can then enable it. So if I name this the most perfect name wall, then I could probably get away with it. Maybe. Oh. What? Whoa. Oh, that's right. Interesting. All right. Okay. Just don't mind me. I discovered something. It's not even related to the game or anything. Okay. Can I maybe? I'm going to reset the. I'm going to put this again under this, and I'm just going to reset the position to 0, 0, and 0, and this will also be something like that, so I can move this whole thing just over a little bit to here, so I can do stuff with it. Just the light is a little bit harder than I would like it to be. All right. So, here, and the spotlight can go more up now. That much because lightning, yeah, like this much could be enough. For me, it's good enough. But will this do anything? No. Will this do anything? No. Whoa. What do you mean? All right. I'm just dumb. 2.5. Yeah, that seems like a good number. Hmm. Or go back in your place. And you are going to receive a new chart. Exactly like that. Collision shape 3. And it's a box shape. And we'll make it 5. Nope. This how wide is this? Yeah, that could do. What do you mean? All right, I forgot that I moved it back there. Good enough for me, somewhere in the center. So now what? We need something. What do we need? Oh yeah, make disappear when the player walks in. So I'm just going to move this whole thing here, and collision shape, we'll extend it all the way up. It will be a little bit thicker, just in case. Doesn't trigger the first time. So will then be here. Okay. Now for the new folder scripts. Okay, scripts. New. No. I'm going to do it on here. I want to do thing. So I can reuse this everywhere with similar things, which is a good practice. You should do that if you're a game developer. Yeah, that I don't know. Should be okay like this. Built-in script. What? To see. Oh, okay. Good enough. Didn't know that it existed, even though it's there a long time. I just never bothered to click it. Close. What? What do you mean? Oh, right. I also have this. I don't need this. Or do I? I don't. Just a waste of time. Whoopie. Well, let me get this. Add export variable or to show no or no this it's, and I think that is not 3D. And internal variable which is secret, which is equal and is equal to false. And the ready function we can hide the, or I can, if I want to make it extreme order, I can make it so that like this, or I can just do a better naming scheme. Hidden by default is true. If hidden by default is equal, okay, not wasting any memory. If hidden by default or hide else or dot show nope, hide this, and I don't even need this function. I just need to do this function. Yes. 3D. not is equal. No. Actually 3D. Then we want to have not is triggered. It's triggered is equal to true, and or dot visible is equal to or dot visible. Here that is there. Okay. Seems good enough for me. So let's see, does that work or not? Oh, it won't work, but like this. Okay, let's see. Oh, what? Hello? All right. Hidden by default, yes. Okay. It does work. But I need to do it a little bit differently. Because this is constructive geometry and there was a lag spike and I don't want lag spikes. I need to do this with a mesh instance. Mesh instance box. Move it over here. Like it is supposed to be. And just scale it up. Nope, not like this. Like this. Ooh, too much. Maybe I'll make it just a little bit bigger. So it just covers the whole thing. I don't care about this because it can be seen from here. But the also important thing I need to do is mesh. Ooh. Great, it crashed. How many of my progress did I lose? Uh, all right, okay, interesting. I also need to move this here. Like where it is out of the lightning. Need to through this completely annihilated. Mesh instance, save, just in case. Box. Bring it all the way here. This is scale 11. Okay. I don't have to worry about this. That's good. What else do I need to do? Assign this new or name it wall. Oh, assign this to there. Hidden by default is on. That's great. That's nice. I love that. Well, I need to turn up the music a little bit so we have a cozy vibe in here. It should be better. Okay. Well, now save. Grab this. Create collision shape. Static body. Try mesh. Create. If I disable this, does that also disable? We'll see. Might not. That's what I am expecting, but who knows? Nope. Okay, so I also need to make this variable collision, which is a collision object 3D. Yes, collision object 3D. Collision object 3D. That allows me to, yeah, nice. So now what I can do is do something, maybe. Maybe. Oh, didn't want to do that. Well, let's see. Selection change at some point. Can it be okay? That I never seen. Okay, good. I'm going to assign this there, so it should be okay. Now I need to do also think if it's height, then I want to collision is say okay, it's not, I need it to be what is it? Okay, I need collision shape. Okay, collision shape 3D. Okay, now I can do, let's see if this is true, else it is false, and verify visible collision dot save it equals false, else collision what? I have never played around with the let me see. Let me see. Is there anything that I can like use? See, maybe. Annotations, I know that. Line continuation. Typed arrays, yeah, dictionaries, corporate variables, blah 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 blah. Static variables, I also know that. Static and line constants, functions, referencing functions, and the functions. I know that. Ouch. Static functions, yeah, if else if. Oh. The disabled is equal to true if is equal to false if or is visible. Okay, or is visible, else it's true. So let's see. Should have this like that. So now, nope, I error. It's no. Oh, right. Okay. Good enough for me, I guess. Yeah, does it actually work? Nope. I can still go through it. It somewhat works, which is a good sign. But not the best sign. I'm just going to do if all is visible, then I want collision disabled. So this would be the collision is disabled if the all is visible, it returns false. Yes, that's right. So this should be okay. I can still like go through here, but then now all of a sudden it's nothing there. And if I try to go back, I still can walk through the why though? Is it like still disabled or it's not disabled? Oh, that's interesting. Make static, maybe, instead of remove. Let's see now, I'm just going to ruin the immersion because I can. Why can I still work through it? Just weird. It's like it doesn't even. Oh, that's why. That's why. Bruh. What do you mean? Huh? Wall collision dot. See, but not ordered. Zero. Okay. Let's see. Will it work or will it not work? Okay, that works. I'm going to try one thing, I think. One thing only. I need notes. Configuration. Visual effects. Or is there something like that? Screen check, no. Nope. Blur? Maybe. I don't know exactly how to look. Let's see. Certainly didn't do much. Now, if I cranked it up. I need to look. This is going to be very fishy. Yeah, I don't want it. In it, maybe. That looks better. What will happen if I, for example, change this to that, or even to that? Save this, and maybe this. I don't even know what it does. What does it do? Oh, it. Well, something didn't like that. Well, now I can see the blur. So that's good. Okay, I can do something also with this wall, which is now a good thing, because I can add a spotlight to it, rotate it like this, Nope. It's more like on one spot. Just like lower. This is ground, so this is too low. Nope. Wrong. Wrong. Like this. Maybe. Yeah, that could be good. No. Nope. Label. Really. What should I do? Should I maybe find the label and where it is? Here it is. Okay, thank you very much. I don't like this music. Are there random sounds? Okay, better, maybe. Very good, better. Joke. Well. How are we doing on this? I need to flip the text around, but I need to. Yep. Interesting. I'm going to play with it later. For now, what I'm going to do is firstly turn this text around how it should be, and nextly, I don't know, but next means okay. I need a better font. New system font. Font names. Yeah, the most generic, but yeah, that could work. We'll see. We'll see. Well, how would this look? Let's see. And beware of lag because my PC can't handle even this. and it's almost nothing. So that's great. Nothing's here. The text can be seen from far away. That isn't good. I need like a sticky note. Put it on that. Put it either here or here, or in both places. So it's creepy that you can't even see. It's like super dark. It's the only thing you see in this. Interesting. Let me look if I can find like a free 3D model for downloadable. The CC0. Nothing. Nothing. I found nothing. Oh, maybe. Is this with the... I need one without text. Maybe these will work. Although they are blue, but... And... Okay, maybe not. First drop it here. Oh. Long time ago, okay. I don't know if it's a long time ago, but surely. Okay, that's great. Save to file path. Resource. Meshes. That's it. Okay. Nope. At child mesh instance. This to it. It's a very, very small. You know. Oh. Okay. Maybe not that big. Maybe it's 20. Be big enough. Let's see if I drag it over this. Is it big enough? I don't know. Yeah, it is. Okay. Now. make it look like it's on a wall. Maybe like this. Yeah. And now just fiddle around with the 3D label. And that means I'm going to do this. And we also, and I don't know where it is. No. Nope. Nope. Oh, here. Any? No. So need it very much smaller. And this like a handwriting, but there's now a issue, like a pretty big one. Can I change the font, please? Something like nope. Nope. No. Nope. Also no. Why is it all of it? How do I do this? How could I possibly do this? I have no idea. What the hell? Okay. If it's disabled, it can't even be seen. That's too blurry. What about you being scaled? Wait, so can I do this? Like a bit like on 24? Right. 32. Okay. Then just scale it down. Do you want to say that just right now that I could have done this? didn't need to do anything extra. It was the local space. But no. I want to do one thing, and it is the canvas layer, which is on layer 0, and the label there, which is centered vertically at, I guess not then. Anyway, control, which is correct. Okay, interesting. And then I can add a label, which is centered here. Label settings, new label settings, font, and we want 64 or something like that. Also, I can see the text. Why no? Do I like need to? Nope. Oh god, I didn't want to do that. Well, this, nice, fixed. And there's 0. Maybe disable the blur. Just leave the vignette on. I can leave also this at 1, because why not? And now I can do one thing, and that is if I name this that, and this is that, I can do one thing, it's that this will be its separate scene, save branches scene, scenes, sticky note scene, and what I want to do is attach a script, put it in the scripts folder, sticky note.gd, that's okay. Now I want this to be a tool. I need to save that, close this, open it again. Now it should register as this, okay. Export variable date, which is true, is equal to false if engine is editor hint, if the date equals false and date text, which is going to be a function here called text. It doesn't take anything because I need to do export multi-line variable no text, which is a string, and I also need an internal, which is this label.text is equal to no text. So that's that. Now, what I want to do is, oh yeah, it's somewhere horribly misplaced. 0, 0, and also with 0 rotation and 0 rotation like this, which means it will probably be all somewhere different. It's here, interesting. Then I can just, oops, do this. Something like that, yeah. So I don't want this, I want this. So sticky note, wait, do this just like that, just click update. Oh, and what if I do space like this? That also works. That's good to know. So now what I need to do also is in here I need to do a static or 3D, which doesn't have any material and has a collision shape, which is a box which will be 0.01, 0.01 and 0.01. So it's a very small box right now. Oh, it's not a very small box. In fact, it is almost big enough. 0.01, 0.02, moved maybe a little bit up like that. Yeah, that's good. Should be okay. looks interesting, but it's the post-processing. Now, this has a collider. I can also name this class name sticky note, like that. Now I need a raycast 3D from the player. Which is going to be facing not down, but no, that's certainly not like, oh, local space -1, maybe -1.5. okay, that should be good. Is that good? Maybe. Should be. -2. Seems a little bit too long, but yeah. Should be good. I need it to be on a collision layer 2, which is sticky notes from now on. Mask, sticky notes, you two are on collision layer 2. Don't actually have any purpose else than that. So I also need to do this, and this, or I should name this something like that, maybe. Create now. If I look here, it's where the crouching is. Maybe I need to do one thing. Okay. So I know. Now I know which is that I need in this. I need it to have this as like a if self dot is colliding. I'm just going to expect that it always has the script self dot self dot get red dot get how is this explained? No, then I don't need to get script, but I need so no text equals variable no text is equal to self dot is sticky note is equal to self dot get collider no text. It's text. That's perfect. Better. So now I need to actually get this. Better. And I'm just going to do this. Like that. So that could theoretically work. Maybe. We'll see. Nope. No. No. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Works. Does everything else work? Okay. Oh, yeah, right. Close. Nope, I need this dot get collider dot get. What? What does get collider return? Collision object 3D, which is this. And collision object 3D has this. Okay. So, mouse and ooh, interesting. But I should be able to just do then get node something like this, and if I unpause it, oh yeah, right, I need to restart it. Ooh. Okay, OBS, thank you. Mm. What does this return? Nope. Maybe yes. Maybe. Oh. I hate this. Oh, did print out static body 3D. So if I get parent. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Well, that at least it's working. At least it's working now. Which is good. That's very good. Like, that's very, very good. I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Because if it actually works, then it's very good. And can I'm just going to divide this by half just to save some performance. Now what's happening? What did I... Oh, it has a changed name now. So like this, refresh, something still wrong or not? Oh, I need to be here. Okay. Yeah, that's decent. And nothing's there still. Because I haven't really done anything. But I think I'm just going to keep this at full HD because it actually doesn't matter. It eats up all my processing power, but that's okay. Still have a lot to do. Hello? 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 Nothing's here. Will there be something? Maybe. Soonish. Maybe there will be something soon enough. Maybe. Who knows? Well, I hate it. This opens every time. I just don't like that. I guess I can now make something appear here. And I maybe, you know what, I just need a little bit of time to... Hey, what did you do? Don't do that on me. I need resource shader. I need a shader. It's a spatial shader cube. I need to do this, and I need to go on the internet because I actually need to grab a shader from the internet, which I really like. So that will be good. I just need to find it. Maybe I can search for it or not, because it doesn't allow me to do that. It's nice. Do I really want to do something about it? Maybe. Once I find the shader. There it is. It should still work even in this version, if I'm right. Just save it. Okay. Where do we have the still here? Mesh instance. Move it up. Say, ooh, it's a big book smash. 0.5. Still too big. 0.25. 0.25 and 0.25. Okay, that's very much what I want. It's just a cube, but trust me, trust the process. It will look better. Because I'm going to do material override and just drag the shader here. It looks kind of funky, but I need to do maybe something if it allows me to. Okay, the lightning just looks weird with it, but I guess. Nope. I don't want it to do this. Okay, that's still too much. Okay, I'm just going to find another shade because this is certainly not working. Maybe some with a nice refraction or something. Or maybe something that glows. But just glows, doesn't freak out like this one. Because we don't like to get freaky. Or do we? No, we don't. Vertex? What? Okay, that it isn't for 4.2. That's good. Oh, okay, I like this. If this will work, then it may be good. I just need to get one thing. Just give me a second. Because I need to do something. Okay. Okay, that looks good. As far as I wanted it looks good. It looks decent. Not good, it looks decent. And it's what I wanted. So, that's alright. I guess. If that makes sense. How does this look in game? Does this look any good or any bad? if I just put wait oh, that's new, that's new. I just clear this. No. Black, white. Okay, white. That seems reasonable. Ooh. I need to make some changes to my script that gives me the walls, which is this one, and that is if wall collision it's not equal null, then this. So time I do here just false, and same do I do here like that. Okay. Now I can basically duplicate this, but just change up the script, and also I want to do oops, make unique. I want to do this, so when it actually there, it's there, and it's not, oh, it's this going to be cubo. Oops, wrong button. Hmm. Well, that's for some other day, I guess. Yeah. Well, anyways, um, thanks for watching my stream if there is anyone, even if you just came around right now, thanks. And maybe see you in the next stream.